Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today, in less than 3 minutes, I want to show you how to cook the Buka-style plain beans, that is ewawuro. So if you like Buka vibes, definitely keep watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'll be using these beans called olo in the southwest part of Nigeria. It is like drum, but the seeds are smaller and it is sweeter. So you can use this one or you can use drum for this recipe. So I'm just going to pour some hot water over this and leave for 5 minutes. That is just to remove residue from preservatives. Do you also do this or you just rinse and cook? Do you think it's necessary? Let me know in the comments. After allowing this to sit in the hot water for 5 minutes, I'm going to rinse it 2 more times before I pour in the pan. If you like this video after watching it, please let me know in the comments, or at least give me a thumbs up, please. Feedback is very important for me. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, I hope you will subscribe. Especially if you're a foodie, you are going to have a great time here. Done rinsing and now transferring into the pan. The secret ingredient here is potash, but in place of that, I'll be using baking soda. Food sellers often use potash, that is corn, to get their beans soft on time and without having to use a lot of water. This also gives it that rich brown color that you see. I have added some water, not too much, just enough to cover the beans. So I will cook this on medium heat for 20 minutes. Checking on my beans after some 20 minutes, so I'm going to add salt now. Actually, I think you can add salt at any point. I don't think it prevents it from getting soft on time, like we used to believe. Have you tried this before? Do you add salt at any point? Let me know. And besides, the baking soda is a little bit salty, so please be careful when you're adding more salt to it. And as you can see, the beans is so soft, it melts in between my fingers. I'm not going to add anything. I'll just let it sit on low heat for a few more minutes, and this is it. It looks so good. It is not mushy, yet very soft. I serve this with its best paddy, rice, but you can also serve it with bread. It is that soft. You can eat it with yam and add some stew. It depends on you. Please let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. If you do, I'd like that you come back. I would love to know how it goes. If you find this video useful, one of the ways you can say thank you is to click that like button. It can help me reach more people and even grow my channel. So your generosity in that area will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you again with another fantastic recipe. Bye-bye.